Welcome back, guys. In this video I'll be talking about why the RNA primer should be deleted or must be deleted to complete the DNA replication. Because if the RNA primer is present in the primer template junction, so the DNA cannot be present there at the specific stretch. So in order to complete the replication, the RNA primer must be removed from the newly synthesized DNA strand, and this is done with the help of an enzyme which is known as RNase H. Why RNase? Because it degrades or deletes the RNA sequence, and why H? Because it only cleaves those RNA which is hybridized with the DNA. So RNA DNA hybrid condition, in RNA DNA hybrid condition, this enzyme will cleave the RNA. But it will delete all the RNA sequences except one, which is the last RNTP that is added to the DNA, because that is directly linked to the DNA template. And this RNase that will cleave the bond between two RNTPs, not a DNTP and RNTP. So RNase H will cleave those RNTPs which is hybridized to DNA, but that is not cleave the bond between DNTP RNTP. So to cleave the bond between DNTP and RNTP, it needs another enzyme which is known as exonuclease. Basically 5' exonuclease done this job. So in this way RNA primer will be removed. Thank you so much.